Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use record.load module. Here record.load module means if you want to load any module and we know the ID of that particular record, in that case, we can use this. For example, let me show you here. Look at this. At that time of page init, suppose if I want to get the name of this particular ID, let me show you here in the list. Look at this ID number 633 and here name written is Wilson. For some reasons, for some requirements, if I want to fetch the name, here is the name, and if I want to fetch the location also, New York City, for other purposes. So I know the ID of that particular record. And how would I capture that name and the location? So first of all, I will write here variable object record equal to record.load. Directly we can write here because we have used here module end/record. So record.load type. Now type means the ID of this record ID. Let me show you with this just a second. Custom record type, the ID of this particular sales order form. Look at this custom record sales order form. So this is the ID and then ID of that particular record, that is 633. This is the our sales order form record ID, and then this is that particular person's ID, right? And then is dynamic true. Now variable name, I want to fetch that variable name. So object record dot get value field ID name. Now field ID name means here is, let's take this first. Here is the field ID name. If I click here, this is the name, right? So field ID, I will put a name here. Then I will store it in a variable name, variable location equal to object record dot get value. Here also it's the ID, this location, right? I have copied and pasted here. And then log.debug details name and location I have put. Now I have uploaded this script. I have done this in page init, right? So when I create a new record, for example, this is the script, I remove everything. Okay. Now I have uploaded this script here and let's refresh. We will create a new record. As soon as the page load, that particular 633 ID values will be fetched. First of all, I have to make it as standard sales order form. Yes, standard sales order form. Now, as soon as this page init event is executed, let me show you this. Now look at this. Name Wilson and then location is New York City. Same thing that we wanted to capture. So in this way, we can capture any record details, because if we know the ID of any document of any record, then we can, this is Wilson and here is the New York City. Here I have captured this, right? So in this way, this record.load module is most important, because many times the client requires that in this particular record, that particular name should be included. So, or that particular information should be included. So in that conditions, we have to put that particular name. So we must know that particular ID of that record. And with the help of that, we can fetch the data, and then we can use it anywhere, right? So in our next session, we will see, next video, we will see some other modules, important modules, which are used in a project. So you keep practicing on this, and if you have any doubt, in that case, you can put your queries in your comment box. I will resolve it. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for latest notifications. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.